Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Year 7 NAPLAN Tips and Tricks, Part 2. If you haven't seen my other video on Year 7 NAPLAN, I'll put the playlist in the top right. Let's get into the video. We're going to pick up at question number 6, which is where we stopped last time. A bag contains 15 beads that are either red or yellow. The probability of randomly removing a red bead is 20%. What is the probability of randomly removing a yellow bead? So, because we know there's 100% in a whole, we're going to subtract 20% from that, which leaves us with 80%. So the answer is 80%. Question number 7. Point P is translated down 4 units. What are the coordinates of the new position of point P? So if we move it down 4 units, it would go here, 2, here, and to here. This would be the new spot of point P. So because the x-axis always comes first, let's look at the x-axis, which is 2. So it starts with a positive 2, and the y-axis, we can see, is negative 1. So after that comes negative 1. So the answer would be A. Question number 8. The heights in centimeters of children who play on the tennis team are as follows. I'm going to read these numbers, but you can read them. Select the dot plot that correctly displays the data. So let's look at our options and we'll see if they're correct. So first, this one has 117 with 1 person, which is correct. Then they have 118 with 2 people, which is incorrect because there's no 118s. So we know it can't be this option. Let's look at the next one. 117 has 1 person, which is correct. 118 has 1 person, which is also correct. Has no people, which is also correct. And 119 has 1 person. So we can see that that's not correct because 119 has 2 people. So it also can't be this one. So now we know it has to be C, but let's just check it to make sure. 117 has 1, 118 has none, 119 has 2, 120 has none, 121 has none, and I think you can see that C is indeed the correct answer. Question number 9. The dogs at a dog show were weighed. All the weights were then recorded in a graph. How many dogs were at the dog show? So we're going to add up all the numbers of these dogs who participated in the dog show. So first, with 20 kilograms, we have 3 dogs. Then with 21, we have 1 dog. With 22, we have 2 dogs. With 23, we have 1 dog. With 24, we have 3 dogs. With 25, we have 1 dog. And with 26, we have 3 dogs. So if we add all of those up, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Plus 2 is 11. Plus 3 is 14. So the answer is C, 14. Question number 10. Holly placed a piece of paper along a line of symmetry on a star. How many points does Holly's whole star have? So because this is half of the star, let's draw the rest. So it would look something like this. That's what it will look something like. So let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer would be D, 8. But let's just say that for some reason you're not allowed to draw on the paper. So you'd have to do it a different way. So what we do is we imagine the points on the other side. So we'll ignore these 2 for now, and you'll see why. So they've got 3 points here, which means there'll be 3 of these points on the other side too. So that's 6. Now, with this point on top, you might accidentally think it's 2, but it's actually 1, because this is only half the point, and this is the other half. So this makes 1 point, and this makes 1 point. So if we add that together, 6 plus 2 is 8. So if you have to do it in your head, that's how you do it. But it's a bit harder, so I'd recommend drawing it if you're allowed to.